Window installation in Austin, Texas, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Austin Window Installation Services provide a range of options, including double-pane windows and custom window replacement Bee Cave TX, to meet the unique needs of each home. Whether you're in Bee Cave or the greater Austin area, finding the right window contractors is essential for a successful installation. Bee Cave energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are available in various styles, including vinyl windows, which are known for their durability and low maintenance. Vinyl window installation in Austin is a popular choice for those seeking long-lasting and cost-effective solutions. For those in need of window replacement Bee Cave TX experts offer comprehensive services to address any issues. From window frame replacement to window glass replacement, these professionals ensure that your windows are in top condition. Bee Cave window glass replacement services are particularly beneficial for those dealing with cracked or broken glass. Home window upgrades in Austin TX are an excellent way to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. With options like window tinting and window weatherproofing, homeowners can improve their home's energy efficiency and comfort. Bee Cave window tinting experts provide solutions that reduce glare and protect interiors from harmful UV rays. Window maintenance in Austin TX is essential for prolonging the life of your windows. Regular window sealing and window caulking services in Bee Cave help prevent drafts and water damage. Bee Cave window caulking services ensure that your windows remain airtight and energy efficient. For those interested in custom windows, Bee Cave, Texas, offers a variety of options to suit any architectural style. Bee Cave window design consultation services help homeowners select the perfect window style options for their homes. Whether you're looking for traditional or modern designs, custom window replacement Bee Cave TX can be tailored to your preferences. Window hardware replacement in Austin is a necessary service for maintaining the functionality of your windows. From locks to handles, ensuring that your window hardware is in good condition is crucial for security and ease of use. Window hardware replacement. Austin services provide high-quality components to keep your windows operating smoothly. Window insulation in Bee Cave TX is vital for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Proper insulation helps reduce energy costs and improve noise reduction. Bee Cave window noise reduction services are particularly beneficial for homes located near busy streets or noisy areas. Residential window services in Austin offer a comprehensive range of solutions for homeowners. From window measurement services in Austin to window screen replacement, these services ensure that your windows are perfectly fitted and functional. Bee Cave window screen replacement services provide durable screens that keep insects out while allowing fresh air in. Window safety features in Austin TX are an important consideration for families. From child-proof locks to shatter-resistant glass, these features enhance the security of your home. Window safety features Austin TX services offer a variety of options to protect your loved ones.